Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got something special for you guys today, so keep watching. Boy, I'm coming live, boy. I got mine. Look at this, boy. Look at this, boy. Boy, look at this, boy. I got it all done now, boy. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Boy, look at this thing. Cut them off. You can't see nothing. Cut them back on. Boy, look at that, boy. Stupid bright in here, boy. Cut them off. Cut them on. Whatever you want to do, man. I can have one. Oh, let me hit the button first. Let me see if that works like that. No, you got to turn it on first, I guess, to change it. Yeah, you got to change it while it's on. Then you can cut it off. But that's dope, boy. Get you some of that, boy. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Sorry about the lighting, but I am trying to fix the lighting in my truck. This is the Meso custom map light, dual map lights for the Toyota Tundra, 14 and up models. So check them out. If you like this video, check them out. Like the lights in this video. They might have an option for your truck. Yeah, so let's get into it. Let me take these lights out, and then I'll show you what I have before and after and everything. Like I was saying, this is the lights, how they look right now, the map lights. You see how bright they are. So let's get started. I tried to film everything as much as I can. I'm gonna probably be doing this one-handed, so let's see what we can do. Should be pretty easy. I'm thinking. This is the tool that I'm using, just a small screwdriver, flathead. And I think all you have to really do is pop it out on the side. Try not to hurt the housing. I don't think I hurt anything there. Hopefully y'all saw that. Wasn't sure if y'all saw that or not, so I'm gonna go ahead and snap this back in and do it again. So that's back in there working like normal. You have two little points that they're attached to the housing. So again, I'm using this little flathead, small little unit, and right where that meets the housing, I'm gonna just pry and pull down. I think I got it that time, and you can see there's no damage, and you can also see how that clips in. It's just two little clips that it can rock on in the housing. So now that I have that out, this little reflector needs to come out and the bulb needs to come out. So this little reflector should be able to come out easy. This reflector is not going to be used again, so you just rip that out. Fitting this tab because it's starting to scratch up my housing. that's out. And now I can take the bulb out. The bulb is out. So that's everything on that side. And the only little damage, I don't know if you can see that, is that little scratch right here from this little, that piece probably just scratched it up a little bit, so it's not too bad. Okay, we got that out, and that's doing all of this in the car, so bear with me. I should say in the truck. So this one is actually this side. I think that's the driver's side right here. There you go, that's how they come. Just sit right there on a nice piece of foam. These are packaged well, really protected. And that's the unit right there. And you just have that little blade plug that plugs into the same spot that the light plugs into. And what I saw that these are not polarity sensitive, so all you have to do is just plug that in there. And pretty much just get it in there, right? Let's see if I can do this. Oh, I think I have the wrong side. Yeah. This is the wrong side. So let's try that again with the other side. Get the right one. Okay, and you know that because of these two pieces that clip up here. So let's try that again. Make sure it's plugged up. This hook cell on this side. And these snap in. There we go. So now you can see the difference in real time. Way brighter. Night and day difference. And then you also have this feature. And you can just turn it off and turn it back on how many times you want. And then you hit this button to flip it. That's nice. That's a closer look of the fitment and everything. Looks good. I think this is just a little bit of plastic, and that's the little bit that I damaged it right there, but that ain't nothing. That'll be fine. But yeah, I'm happy with that. That looks nice. So let's tackle the other side. Okay, again, I'm gonna go on the same side and just pry this. Pry that down like that. And then next we have to take this out. There we go. And now Take the bulb out. A 194 bulb. And where is it? Now we have, and I can actually dim that down and then put this in here. Plug up the new bulb. And remember to put this side in first. Make sure the wires are tucked in. And then snap it in. And you're all set. Now I'm on. So both of them are done. That was a nice little easy install. That's how they look. You all set. Okay, hope you got all of that. I was just winging everything, doing everything on the fly, especially with the camera angle. I was holding the phone while doing it, so it's a real easy install. Not bad at all. Anybody should be able to do it. Just be careful not to break anything. But you saw it right then and there. First time I ever did it. It's pretty easy. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And I really appreciate everyone that has been keeping up with the videos, liking the videos and everything. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for watching. And that's how they look in person. They dope. I guess I need to order my other one next. I need to order that one. Yep, that's them. Peace out.